The sheer endlessness sort of shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which basically is very huge. The cost of a sheer limitlessness for the most part has fallen by 0.61% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. As far as Axie's support floor, it basically is currently $10.21 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie really has its especially next obstruction at $11.87, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. 08 October 2023. In this video we'll sort of walk you through a sheer endlessness cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for a sheer limitlessness generally is Axie's a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. A sheer boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is very huge. However, prior to plunging profound into the Axie's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the truly current economic situations, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an unpretentious manner. The really absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $17,412,615,578, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely critical. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, showing that as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is currently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, really let us in every practical sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span, or so they sort of thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Axie's specialized examination, basically let us essentially discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending course for kind of present moment, so these occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in an extremely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, showing that as far as Axie's support floor, it basically is currently $10.21. The sheer vastness backing and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized markers used to distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Exhibiting that a sheer boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely significant manner. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers certainly become more dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the cost of a sheer limitlessness especially has fallen by 0.61% in the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants basically become kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that right now, an especially broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%. exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is currently $10.21, which basically is genuinely huge. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie's Axie vastness execution. The everyday graph of Axie boundlessness sort of shows that the Axie's cost generally has a kind of descending development with a 0.61% decline in beyond 24 hours. The value worth of the Axie limitlessness, Axie's coin by and large, is remaining at $4.46, with market capitalization $630,303,937 United States dollars. Genuinely further appearance how support basically is a level at which purchasers most certainly become kind of more most certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how the cost of Axie endlessness in every way that really matters has fallen by 0.61% in the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Axie's cost changes 4.88% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every way that really matters is drifting around $15,679,099 United States dollars, exhibiting how the value worth of the Axie vastness, Axie's coin by and large is remaining at $4.46, with market capitalization $630,303,937 United States dollars. Exceptionally further appearance how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every way that really matters, all the more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the cost of Axie boundlessness basically has fallen by 0.61% in the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 08 October 2023. Inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, so Axie limitlessness truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Axie vastness. Exhibiting how following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie's Axie limitlessness execution. The essentially day-to-day outline of Axie endlessness explicitly shows that the Axie's cost by and large has an exceptionally descending development with a 0.61% lessening in truly beyond 24 hours, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axie limitlessness generally has fundamentally break all its by and large backings levels and things basically are not looking especially really great for the crypto market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, truly bears really are in charge of the market and